Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Now, today, I will be showing you a tour of my living room. And this is going to be my Thanksgiving living room setup here. And I still have the fall going on, but I want to come in and give it just a little small refresh. And this will be my Thanksgiving living room tour. I'm so glad that Thanksgiving is fastly approaching. I love Thanksgiving. I just love giving praises to God all year round. And I just want you guys to come along with me to see what I have done. I have put everything in place. Now I'm going to be showing you maybe some clips of when I was decorating, so you won't see the part where I was decorating, but I did want to show it to you. Okay, so probably up here in this area or sometime popping up in this area, you will see me doing my console table, my coffee table, my buffet table. You will see all of that. Okay, I'm just gonna pop up here, there, but you will see it. Okay, so let's go ahead on and we're gonna jump into the video. Everything is already put together for you. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so let's start with these curtains right here. Now my intention was to put some more curtains up, so I had ordered some through Temu, and Temu, the order was coming through Amazon, but for some reason Temu said Amazon was not updating the tracking process, and after I guess about 3 weeks, they told me that they can give me a full refund. And on top of that, if the curtain comes after I have received my refund, they said keep the curtains. So Temu, go Temu. So let's start right here, guys. So right here is where I got my arrangement, and I explained to you on my console video, and I want you guys to go back and watch those videos because I will not be going back over everything on this particular video, but I will have the link to all of those videos down in the description box. Let's go down to the bottom here. So that's why I have my two vases, my two black vases. And we're going to give you another two of this area. And this is my console table. I can't remember the name of it, but you will have that in the description box. Now moving on over to my love seat. Only thing I did here was added I think the black lumbar pillows, and I added another black pillow. So let's move over to this area right here. And this is my buffet table with the mirror glass. And this is what we got going on here. I brought in some fall, just soft, with my tapered candles. Okay. And have my little foxes right there to give this little space down here some color. And my nice vases there, I got those from Burlington. And over in this area right here, I DIY'd that vase. I want to give it more of a neutral color, so this was one of my glass. I think it was like a mauve, and I did the DIY on it to make it look like a clay pot. And these are some stems that I got off of a branch when I went out shopping one day, and I said, hey, I think I would like this. And my together sign down there, guys, I thought that was cute, from the Dollar Tree. And these are some items here. I think I picked these up from the thrift store, and they probably was like maybe $1. So guys, please excuse me, I'm kind of stuffy this morning. So, but I do have my Thanksgiving pumpkin right there, and that's my glam pumpkin, along with some of the soft, flurry, little fluffy pumpkin right here. Got it from the Dollar Tree along with my DIY books, and have my lantern over here in this area along with my palm branches. Okay. And let's move to the other side. I want to bring some of the outdoor natural into my home. So I went out and picked up me some pine cones, laid those on the table. Got my little rope here, picked up from Dollar General, yes, for $3. And I also got another olive green pumpkin. And here's my arrangement that I put together along with the DIY that I did on the glass pot. Once again, making that look like a clay pot. And in this area right here, got my burgundy, beige, and orange candle. And guys, only thing I did with my couch, I removed the Miller black pillow, added the burnt orange to give it that pop. And guys, right up above my couch, I let those pictures remain the same. Did not change those out. Okay, moving along right here. I didn't do much to this area. I just threw that little candle in there just to put it somewhere because I was holding it and I said, let me just put this over here on this shelf. But anyway, I guess it goes well there. And so in this area right here, the only thing I did was I moved the two horses and I placed them on this display shelf, and everything else remained the same. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed my living room tour for Thanksgiving. And I hope that you guys got some type of inspiration from it that you can use. And I tried to decorate on a budget. So I will be coming in uploading other videos, and I hope that you guys will join me. And if you want to be notified, you can click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way you will be notified each time when I upload another video. And guys, if this is your first time, go ahead on and comment below and say first time. I would love to welcome you. And if you subscribe, don't forget to let me know so I can welcome you into the precious family. Okay, and once again, I will have those other videos leading up to this particular living room tour. I will have those in the description box. You can go back and see what I did for my console table, my coffee table, and my buffet. I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you.